Why does your scanner show the P1516 engine code? What does it mean? P1516 is a diagnostic trouble code for Throttle Actuator Control Module, Throttle Actuator Position Performance. This engine code indicates that the PCM has determined an out-of-range condition between the predicted and the actual position of the throttle. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Damaged throttle plate, PCM problems, wiring issues, throttle actuator control module problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code is a manufacturer-specific diagnostic error code. This is used by General Motors models like Buick, GMC, Saturn, Hummer, etc. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.